The day unwinds with a breathtaking sunset in the sand dunes and lagoons. As the sun dips, the sky transforms into a kaleidoscope of warm hues, oranges, pinks, and purples. The tranquil lagoons reflect the vibrant colors, creating a mirror-like effect. The dunes, soft and rolling, provide a serene backdrop to this natural spectacle. As the breeze whispers through the landscape, the sand particles dance, adding texture to the scene. The sound of gentle lapping of water against the shore creates a soothing melody, calming the mind. This ephemeral moment is a fusion of nature's beauty, the sky, the water, and the sand coming together in perfect harmony. As the stars begin to twinkle, the sunset fades, leaving behind a sense of peace and wonder. The dunes, now bathed in twilight, stand guard over the serene landscape. As the darkness deepens, the night sky unfolds its celestial canvas and the world is bathed in soft glow of starlight. The memory of this sunset lingers, etched in the heart like a gentle whisper.